So basically I've taken that pan servo out. There's a little extension cable. It's not fully screwed in this way. Attached it properly as it says here. Ground is the closest, so ground is on the outside. It's all correct. Basically, what happens if I plug it in? It's supposed to initialize, but and the tilt servo supposed to bring it to a certain angle, and the pan servo supposed to spin it to a certain angle. So technically, now this servo, which was the pan, now is the tilt. I'm supposed to turn it to a certain degree, thinking it will be right up at a certain position, right? All it does is completely different. It keeps on spinning 360. The command to the servo from tilt is basically infinitive spin, and as you can see, it's blinking. That's in the offline mode. So what happens if I go into test mode? Here's the test mode. First click, second click, third click, and the fourth click. It starts spinning other direction. And again, infinitive. Now the fifth click, which is back to offline, continue spinning that direction. So I'm not sure if it's a defective unit or what has happened to it, but it might be a wrong command going to the tilt servo, and for that reason it broke that. Actually, I just thought of something. I'll try to connect the broken servo, well, maybe it's not broken, to the proper, to the what do you call it, to the pan. Okay, it's hard to see here. The ground is the closest again. Okay, so it's upside down. Alright, so now we'll see if the servo is broken, and when it was in place, the tilt servo is broken. It was when it was connected to tilt, it would beep, 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 and just spin slowly, 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 in a very abrupt kind of manner, because the servo would be locked. And so let's see if it is the same if we connect it to the pan. Surprisingly, it's not. I'll try to disconnect the pan servo, which was connected to tilt. We'll just see what happens. Take the extension off so we don't get cables all wired up, and I'll connect the servo arm so we can see if the servo actually moves. Sorry for the bad view. Points to actually say, not exactly look. So here's the servo. Alright, that is a snag fit. So basically we have nothing. The pan servo is now off, and instead of pan we have our supposedly broken tilt. So if it actually, before it wouldn't do anything. It would be like stuck, I couldn't move it. So let's see what happens now. Funny part, it initializes when it's connected to. I'll just double check it's properly connected. Yeah, ground closest. Then plus then signal. No, it still doesn't spin, so the servo is broken. So I suppose the command that's being given is infinitive spin, and servo obviously couldn't do that because of the limitations, and it has broke. Oh well. Connect again the pan servo as it meant to be. Pan is back as pan. We connect. Sorry, not looking even at the camera, so. And initialize, slightly moved. Again, slightly moved. Initialized. Oh, actually, fully plug it in. Test it. And off we go. One, two, three, four. Well, and it's off. So the servo is broken. That's what we know. We tested it, it got warm again a little bit. However, well, I can't even spin it. It probably broke then because of the bad signal coming out from the ATT for some reason. Defective unit, or maybe, I don't know, we'll see.